Hello guys, thank you for joining me for this video on my YouTube channel. The video of today is a very special video because I am paying tribute to Paul and Peter Okoye, commonly known as P-Square. Hi P-Square, I hope you guys are doing great. In my video of today, I want to talk to you. I want to say thank you. I want first of all to say thank you because you are Africans. You know, it's true we don't choose whether we are born African, European, Americans or whatsoever, but once we are born and we grow up, depending on our means and our personality, we can choose to be Americans, from France, from England or from any other country. But you guys, despite your fame, despite your means, despite your personalities, you decided to remain Africans. It's really great to see that you've kept your nationality as Nigerian and that you keep on upselling Africa over the world. You know, people can say whatever they like, but trust me, it's not easy for two people to come together, especially when they're artists, especially when they have become famous, to stick together and keep on working very hard for close to 20 years to make us happy. Guys, you've done it. The whole world knows what you have done. You know, you've done it all. I remember back in 2003 when I first knew P-Square. But songs Temptation, Señorita, right? Yeah, especially Señorita with the dancing, Señorita, Mamacita. So from there to now, P-Square, 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 every year P-Square, every day P-Square, P-Square. So that is really great. By doing so, you portray a wonderful image of Africa. You upsell Africa, you make African music great worldwide. Okay, so I really want to thank you for that effort. I want to thank you for that sacrifice because I know how much you guys sacrifice for music. Okay, I am a DJ and I understand how much it takes for a musician, you know, to come out with something. Not only with something, but what P-Square brings out to people. It's so nice. It's so great. Okay, you know, God did it well to create you twins, because creating you twins, He gave you a pair talent, meaning what? One is not complete without the other one. Yeah, I remember Peter singing alone, Paul singing alone. You guys, when you're separated, you keep on singing well, but it doesn't make the effect. Okay, it means that God creating you twins, He gave you one talent for both of you. Yeah, and you've known how to keep it, how to value that talent. And trust me, for tens of years now, you have been the pride of Africa. You've made African music cross borders. Okay, so I want to thank you for that. Really, I want to thank you. I want to thank your parents, especially your mom, peace to her soul, because I know how much parents, you know, especially moms, how much they have to support us. They have to be behind us from childhood up to when we are grown. Okay, today my mom still takes care of me in one way or the other. So I want to thank them for, you know, giving to Africa such a great talent like P-Square. So P-Square, I'm a fan. First of all, I'm a fan. I don't just mix your songs because they are nice, but I really like you guys. You know, you've done so great. When I want to figure out some few titles of P-Square that make me really go crazy. No one like you. Trust me, you gave me my first love with that song. And back in 2014, yeah, personally and testimony, Those are songs I don't know when I'm going to forget. They're so nice. I really enjoy P-Square music. In fact, you guys sing so well. Yeah. Almost all music P-Square brings out. Wow. P-Square, wow. P-Square, wow. It's so nice, and I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. You know, that is why I'm making this video today. You know, as men, you know, we both at a given time, we become different due to external factors that don't depend on us. You know, we live in a world, we have friends, and now that you are married, each of you have a family, but you still need to come together. It's not easy, and it can happen that you misunderstand each other. And I really want to thank you for really trying to stick together, because I remember the first time P-Square separated was in 2014, but again you managed, you came together, and you're really humble guys, because all the time you come on air and ask for forgiveness. That's really nice, and it's really showing how much you respect us, your fans, how much you love us. Okay, so thank you again for that. Just, I will love you guys to, you know, remain one. Stop all the time finding yourself in problems. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's really not easy. You know, people can say it's because of money, because of fame, it's because of women, but trust me, I've worked in teams. Even as a DJ, you know, I'm forced to work with other people, but it's not easy. It's not easy to, you know, to come together and be happy, understand each other every time, especially when you have so much to do. Okay, so I really want to thank you and congratulate you for all the efforts you put together, you know, to keep on working together. But I think that you can do better. You know, we are human beings. Nobody is perfect, but we are expected to tend to perfection. And due to the fact that we are not perfect, we are forced to work hard and hard every day to better ourselves. So that is why P-Square, I really want you, please, I am begging you to calm down. No matter what is the misunderstanding among yourself, calm down and find a serious way, you know, to fix it, so that P-Square should be together forever. I don't want to hear again, oh, P-Square broke up again, P-Square came together again, P-Square broke up again, P-Square came together again. You know, it's not great. I really love you, I respect you, I understand everything, but I would love you to be more united. Okay, I know you guys, you have lawyers. I don't understand why you deal among yourself and you involve legal people there. You know, when you guys have lawyers, it means that you are calling for problems, because lawyers, they are needed when there are problems. Or you can have one lawyer for your contracts and everything, but when each person has a lawyer, you know, it means there's something wrong somewhere, and which need to be fixed. Yeah, you do well having lawyers, but you are twins. Don't forget, same mom, same dad. And I don't remember when your parents had to make you, they had to consult any lawyer. They decided, they came together, and then they went on bed and did the thing, and you guys came out. And they did their best, I'm sure, to raise you to be the P-Square I know today. So I still believe that there's a very nicer way, you know, for you guys to understand each other and solve your problems. So in my video of today, I would like to suggest you a way. I hope it will be helpful. Okay, I know you are Africans, you are Nigerians. So in your community, in your family, there is at least one elder person that both of you respect and even fear. One, at least one. It can be a man, it can be a woman. At least one person. I know that there's one person that you respect so much. So instead of you having different lawyers to solve your problems, go to that person that both of you, if the elder that both of you respect and even fear. Go to that person, hire that person to be solving your problems. You know, when you have your projects, I watch one of your videos where explaining how you bring out your songs. You come in a selection and then you choose. Okay, so when you take that elder like that, you have a project to choose, bring it to his attention or to her attention, then let him or her choose for you. When each person has already spoken, let him or her have the last word. I am sure that person is really going to help you guys. Do you know why? Because when we have one elder that we respect and even fear, there are times that the elder will take decisions we don't agree with, but we are forced to accept because it's the elder. So do that if you have not yet done it. I'm sure it will be really helpful to you. It may not solve your problems 100%, but it will really solve 80% of your problems. And if you do that, P-Square, I'm sure you will never break up again. Because I know how elders, they treat their cases. Never forget, what an old man can see sitting, a young man will not see it on top of a tree. Never forget it. Okay, so I wish you guys all the best. Okay, keep on bringing joy to Africans. Keep on upselling the African image. Keep on, guys, making us happy. Keep on making us feel good. Okay, it's really great what you guys try to do, and I hope my suggestion is going to bring, you know, some kind of help so that you guys should be and remain together. I know when mom was there, she was doing much. Now she's not there. Lawyers are not the right people. Okay, go to one elder, one mom or one dad that you really consider the most. Go and meet him or her. Hire that person. Go to that person, seek for advice from that person, and always listen. Let the person have the last words when you guys have a problem to solve, or when you have an important decision to make. I am sure it's going to help P-Square. I've experienced it, and trust me, it helps. It helps. Okay, I'm not saying like the law is not good, no. But when we are twins, when we are brothers, we don't need the law. We need ourselves. We need our family. Our first lawyers should come from our family. Okay? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are going to subscribe to my channel to watch all the videos that I will be uploading. And again, keep on doing your best for Africa. Keep on doing your best for African music. May God continue to bless you and inspire you forever. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.